Hi, this video is about how to change the scenery outside of your door or window. As you can see here, the grass field scenery is our default outdoor scenery. To change it, you have two options. So this is a working file. Your first option is to change it when you render. Just choose a new environment, be it day view or night view. Okay, choose one and done. But if you want to put the real scenery that you captured from the owner's house, then you may go for option 2. You go to the cloud, Windows, Windows Scenery, switch to 2D view, choose either one scenery and put it outside your door or window. Make sure the scenery is facing the door so you can rotate and move it. Then go back into 3D, adjust your rendering angle. Then only you adjust the position of the scenery. You may also resize, like how you resize your furniture. Okay. In order to use your own scenery, you must first upload to Business Center. Please refer to our video in the description box below on how to upload texture. You may get your uploaded scenery from My Upload Texture, then just drag and drop it to the surface. And we are done.